Yo, what's good? What's happening? What's popping? Smart here from 777 FX. Today we're analyzing, we're just gonna be breaking down what happened today on Nasdaq with you guys. So we went through the whole trade session this today. Yesterday, actually, I'm sorry. I actually had a great day yesterday. I woke up early. I had a gym session. My homie, calisthenics is a park here on the bluff. I actually filmed a vlog too. We might release the vlog on this channel right here. Drop some gems about affirmations. You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be filming right now what happened on Nasdaq today. Today Nasdaq was not really that bad at all. I think I had an analysis when Nasdaq was here. Yeah, I had an analysis when Nasdaq was here. Okay, so yeah, this is around 11. Yeah, it's the times I was up back at the crib, you feel me? So I had gone in the 4 hour. I had gone in the 4 hour and I had marked off this order block right here. Right, this 4 hour order block from that point to that point right there. It is OP, you feel me? It actually is at OP. Why I say that it is a 4 hour order block, okay? So like let me explain this way. It's not always that the order blocks will break pre-structure, like go up here, break the structure, and then come back. It usually does do that, but sometimes you just gotta recognize the variations of the order block. You realize what prices deeper into a daily order block here. We know that, right? So I'm pretty sure we know that the price is deep within this daily order block right here. You feel me? We are deep within, as you guys can see. We are deep within, as you guys can see. We are deep within the order block, guys. So I was like, alright, cool. I see what's happening. Okay. So now we went to the 4 hour. 4 hour we created like a bottom type structure and then price quickly like engulfed this candle right here. You feel me? And broke these small 4 hour highs. These are not significant 4 hour highs, but they're still 4 hour highs. One thing that made us validate this order block even more was here on the hourly. On the hourly, guys. Here on hourly, it validates it because now we do see a break of hourly structure, confirming that this is an order block, well, on the hourly quote unquote. And then we placed our order block right here. We minimized to that point right here. We had an analysis, right? I'll send you the pictures and everything. Well, I have pictures and everything. So we had the analysis looking like this. So we're ready, set to go, guys, set to go. And so yeah, basically this was Nasdaq. Nasdaq. So we were looking for price to come deep into this order block, give us a 15-minute rejection signal, and then entry. So we say I was watching price, and then this candle happened. Right, this candle happened. I was here during this exact candle. I was watching it on the 15-minute. So price did come down. I was actually watching it on a 5 minutes. Sorry, I was actually watching it on a 5 minute. So we saw with okay, price came up, dropped, gave us like this was before NY open, like half two is NY open, and then half three is the stocks open. You feel me? It's a difference. So yeah, right before NY open, boom, gave us like half of this big ass candle, showing that there's pressure. So showing that there's bullish pressure because it's a long as 50 pip, 50 fucking pip, bearish engulfing candle. You feel me? 50 pips. So this candle should be around 20 to 25 pips, which is good. You feel me? Like a nice engulfing candle showing rejection off of this. So it didn't actually go into our order block. But remember, the order block is just there as a visual representation. It's not always there as like, okay, I needed to go into the order block like this. You feel me? It's a visual representation. The actual order block we're looking at actually starts from here. But we're just, minimizing it so that we like it's better for our eyes and we don't have like a huge fucking origin. So okay, it went on. I couldn't enter. I was like, as in, I missed out on the buy. And then this happened. And after this happened, I was more or less happy because I was waiting for like a confirmation. And then this happened. I was like, happy, yeah. You feel me? And then this happened right here. After this happened, I'm not sure where exactly I got the entries. I'll check for a moment. Then this happened right here. I was like, okay, cool. I'll enter if we get a rejection to the upside. You feel me? And then yeah, this was it. This was it. After this candle closed, I was there like, yeah, shooting the flipping, pulling the trigger, stops right below here, 30 pips. First TP, 100 pips minimum. 100 pips minimum first TP. And after like I entered, guys, even though I didn't enter at the order block, you feel me? But it made our entry signal and it was within. Guys, please, I don't want us to get like this confused. We are within the 4 hour order block because the 4 hour order block starts from here. You'll remember. You'll remember where the 4 hour order block starts from. It starts from here. So we're marking this 4 hour order block. So whenever price comes within here, we look for rejection. We minimize to this point so that we get a better look at it. We don't want like this is like 100% of the move, and then imagine your origin being 50%. Like no, we want at least like a small portion of it to be the origin, so we can take our buys off of. But also, we know what we're doing, guys. We know order blocks. We understand the structure, so that's why I took the buys at an earlier time. So we entered that right there. I was playing Far Cry 6 with my gents. It's a fire game, guys. If anyone's a gamer, like I'm a deep gamer, so like I'm probably gonna play Far Cry around now, but like I'm a deep gamer. If you're like I'm playing Far Cry, God of War, the new one, insane, guys, insane. So yeah, and it was simple. Like I wasn't here throughout most of these moves. I'm not gonna lie. Like I wasn't here throughout. I think I was here throughout this move right here. No, I wasn't. Like right after I entered, I put my laptop away, played Far Cry for like an hour or two. As we playing, dog, I realized, hey, boy, 3:30 is gone. Yeah, well, here's 3:30. I realized, hey, man, 3:30 is gone. I think I checked it like 3:45 or something like that. Dog, I checked it 3:45. The candle's like right here, dog. My 100 pips has been slapped already. I got out like 110 pips or something. You feel me? I got out. And they like I got my I got my 100 pips. I always aim for 100 pips, but the overall TP was here at 250, 230, 250 type pips. You feel me? But like say 200 pips. Overall TP was 200 pips. So I had like an option to either hold, break even, right, and hold, or take partials and hold, or just close totally. And it was like one of my first few trades. Actually, my first few trade with my FTMO trial. You know, I'm doing the trial. I did fail on like the proper challenges. So I'm doing the trial, just trying to get a grip of like my system most basically. For me, I'll deal with the psychology later. I'm just trying to trade so I don't get rusty when I'm back in the markets. Cause like I'm gonna work on my psychology, then get rusty on my technical. Make no sense. But I'm just demo trading for now. No live trading. I don't need that right now. Okay, so yeah, price. Okay, so I realized it's one of my first few trades of it on my FTMO. Well, I don't want to pass that shit within a day or two. I just want to take my time with it. So I got out 100 pips, and this what happened, guys. Say, give us this long. I was here like, hey man, I got out, missed the bullet, and then this happened. And then this happened. Yeah, guys. But no, I'm saying it's life, man. I think this was 300 pips, dog. I think this move was at least 300 pips, dog. Yeah, literally, we just hit 300 pips, dog. This was like almost a 1 to 10 risk reward ratio. But I took a 1 to 5 or 1 to 4, 1 to 3 actually. I took a 1 to 3.5 risk reward ratio when I could have taken a 1.10, 1 to 10. But at the same time, it's not about that. It's about like how I traded, how perfect I traded. So yeah, that was a trade for today, guys. It was beautiful, gorgeous. I'm not gonna lie to you. It was fantastic, guys. It was a classic trade. I've been backtesting Nasdaq, and I advise you guys to like go premium, like Trading View, Flipping Pro. Don't mind my username, but Trading View Pro and backtest, guys. Backtesting helped me like view trading easier because now I know I've done this so many times. So yeah, but this is not like now we do see price actually broke above these 4 hour highs right here, right? And we do also see here on the daily that price did engulf, creating a daily supply zone, daily demand zone. Sorry, price did engulf, creating a daily demand zone. It's rejecting off this also this daily demand zone. So created like another mini type structure. So we're gonna be looking for a retest within the zone and then a pull off potentially. So a retest within the zone, then a pull off. We are gonna be looking to at least take it at this demand zone right here. You feel me? The reason we're not taking it at this demand zone is because this one has already been mitigated, quote unquote. So yeah, it is a valid 4 hour zone, macro zone, did break these highs. So yeah, guys, that's what we're looking for. We're either looking for a smaller nyana retest, feel me? And then we're looking to take it up. Our targets will be wider this time because we are looking to target all these highs right here. All of them we want them to be liquidated. So yeah, and also if that doesn't happen, obviously I have another alternative. If price does come down to the 50 MA and does give me a reaction off, I might take buys earlier than this point right here. But this is basically not that for now, guys. Simple, clean, simple, like guys. Like I went from trading with trend lines, Fibonacci, three flipping EMAs and RSI to putting one block on the chart and one EMA and a couple of these arrows and I'm done. That's my analysis for the day. Like I'm happy, guys. So yeah, that was me, 777